Hello everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and I just wanna sing tan 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 tan. Yes, every day we're getting so much holiday stuff at Nordstrom Tampa. If you not yet know, I'm Nordstrom Beauty Stylist, but I'm ready to cry. Why? I am working for Nordstrom. I'm who first can touch this. I'm first should have this in my hand. But believe me or not, it's common, I believe we're supposed to receive 5 sets. So far we just got it 4. But believe me or not, when I came to the store, 1 set, it's already gone. I'm not gonna talk about it's some nail treatment and something else inside. I forgot, just it's a light makeup bag. This is what I remember. I don't remember because I don't even touch, I don't even see in my eyes. It's gone, it's gone. But I have a 3 here holiday Chanel sets. Yes, I got it. Okay, I will show you what inside. I will tell you what products inside and my opinion if it's worth this money or not. First, let me just show you close how box looks, and I will put a little bit something extra for you. And if you like to see more videos like this, let me know. Or if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. Love you more than ice cream. Let me show you close these beautiful holiday boxes. Again, I have 3 of them here. Look at this, like it's a big Chanel logo. I will say like word of Chanel, it's right here. I will not need to even rub them. They will be perfect, beautiful under the tree. Yeah, you can see this is its holiday eyeshadow and palette highlighting powder. Also, every single box, you can see it says here makeup set. Also another have, you can see it says lip gloss trio set, and this is it's another box where it says eye makeup. Every single box, it's telling you what inside, what products, what amount of products. And again, this is just such a stunning holiday collection. Also, let me show you this holiday collection for the colors. Yeah, we have with you eyeshadow palette here. We have a 3 nail colors and beautiful highlighter right here. And my favorite, of course, is beautiful black shimmer, like silvery shimmer nail colors. I think packaging Chanel did a great job. Again, I personally will not even rub. It's beautiful. I will put next to Christmas tree. It will be like upgrade or upscale your Christmas tree. But again, I have 3 different sets, different prices. Some prices higher price, some lower price. Let's start with first one. This is it's like most important, I think, most excited to me personally, because it's a trio lip glosses. 3 best lip glosses from Chanel. It's inside here. It's named Always Brilliant Lipgloss Trio, and it says here on the top. Again, we have a name for the color. We have a color 119, 712, and 722. All names, it's right here. This is it's a name and color for lip gloss for you to see. Let me show you how beautiful inside this gift. Yes, it's your makeup bag. It's really pretty. It's navy materials have little bit texture. It's slightly little bit remind me like a tweed twilly collection. It has this feeling. It's gold, again it's shimmer. It says Chanel here on the zipper. It's also, it says Chanel here. It's a beautiful makeup bag. I love it. I opening this is, you have a pretty big room here. You can put lots of makeup inside. And this is, it's your trio. Yes, full size individually wrapped. You can just keep one for yourself, one for your friend, one for your another friend or mom. I actually really like the individually wrapped, in a box. They are full size. They are shimmer lip glosses. Let me open for you and I will show you. This is, it's your trio. You can see one is like gold one, another more little bit neutral, and this is, it's one of my favorite color. It's 119. I love these colors. I'll show you close because two of these colors, it is have a shimmer, like I will say sparkly, and this is, it's more, I will say, it's not, it's sparkly, it's have a oh my god, like more sheen. And also this formula, in this formula we have vitamin E. It's a good hydrating lip glosses. They taste really good. They're not really sticky, just good, nice, beautiful hydration. Now I think you can see really good. Here we see shimmer, sparkles. Here we have sparkles too. And this one just more shimmer. It's not much sparkly. But again, this is your three, the best lip glosses from Chanel collection. It's right here. This is, it's your color 119. Look at how beautiful this. Nice, beautiful applicator. And let me swatch for you. This is, it's melted honey. You can see this little bit looks like a honey. Nice, right? This is more clear with little shimmer gold sparkles. This is its color 722. Just gonna show you right here. You can see last color, it's a little bit softer than first one, but little bit deeper than second one. One more time, let me show you these beautiful colors, and I'm so happy these lip glosses don't have any smell, don't have any taste. Also, these lip glosses, they're not limited edition, they're classic. We always have them in the store. One, it's cost $36. What it's mean when you buy this set for three, it's what, $108, and this set I believe $115. Let me check. One lip gloss costs $36, but if you buy three, it's $108. And this set, it's $113. Only few more dollars you paying to get this beautiful makeup bag and of course signature holiday box from Chanel. I have two more sets for you to show you, and it's a little bit confusing, right? To me personally, because it says eye makeup set and makeup set. It's kind of two makeup sets, but it is different. Which one it says eye makeup set, we have here classic black waterproof eyeliner, and we have the volume mascara, the most like powerful volume mascara from Chanel, and I think they did a great deal. This is my favorite set, and I will show you how it looks inside. This is it's your eye makeup set. What it's eye makeup set included? We have here waterproof eyeliner number 88. It's black one. And then we have the volume mascara here. This is it's my favorite. I like two mascara from Chanel. I love this. This is will give you the volume mascara will give you the most volume. And another which one I like it and I always like highly recommend to my client. It's Indulge Intense. It's little bit more separates better my lashes, but I like use two of them. But if I want my lashes really big, it's your mascara. I'm telling you girls. This is my older mascara, Le Volume. I just gonna open for you and show you the brush. You can see it's a round, spooky, spiky brush. I love this brush. It's again very good volume mascara. This set, it's cost $78. Again, it's individual wrap, already in box mascara and eyeliner. You can just keep one product for yourself and another give it to your friend. But this is, oops, it's actually my favorite and this is most affordable one. Le Volume Mascara, it's priced if you pay separate $38 and eyeliner $35. What it means, we have with you $73 here, but set it's cost $78. Only $5 you're paying for makeup bags, Chanel makeup bags. This is actually one of my favorite set because every woman needs black mascara and black eyeliners. This is like the best set to me. And now it's the last set. Yes, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Katya Beauty Style. This is Absolute Allure makeup set. Again, you can see same packages. They all three the same, but it's products inside. I wish they make a different colors of makeup bag. Yeah, it's another two, it's a lighter color. Maybe I will get it, maybe I'm not sure. But today I'm showing you what I already have. Okay, again, same makeup bag, but this bag, even I will say it can be makeup, can be eye. Because we have here inside mascara and we do have inside lipstick. Inside mascara it's Noir Allure black color, and this is mascara some people like, some people hate. I be honest with you, it's not one of my favorite. I like it how it's like you press and it's come out. It's really cool. It's a good natural, very good separation mascara. I would say very natural mascara. I like more dramatic, I like more volume, and I will show you how this mascara look inside. This is it, your spooky tiny brush. This looks like intense. It's very remind me a little bit Indulge Intense, but it is different. This is again very natural, good separation mascara. Price, it's $42. This is kind of not cheap mascara to me. Like $42 for mascara and not gonna give me result what I expecting. Too much for me. But again, if you want something natural, good separation, mascara, no mascara, it's right here. I just like this packaging. I just like how it feels this. And now let's talk lipstick, which one inside. It's number 99 Pirate. This is, I will say, like very famous Chanel lipstick. It is long wearing lipstick. Look at this like packaging. I like again, look at this. Ha! Just, I love Chanel packages. They're so pretty. And this is how lipstick look inside. It is $45, long wearing with full coverage and satin finish, this lip color. Beautiful. This is how lipstick look. Look, we have a C right here. Beautiful. Again, you click, lipstick come. Beautiful. Gorgeous red color. If you're looking for a famous red lip color from Chanel, this will be #1. It's a beautiful holiday collection. Again, you have one set under $100. I think every woman will like Chanel little gift for Christmas or for New Year. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody.